Hi friends! Welcome to Elementary Explorers. Today, we're going to explore something super fun, opposites. Are you ready? Let's go! Opposites are words that mean the exact opposite of each other. Like day and night. See how the sun becomes the moon? That's how opposites work. Completely different, but they go together. Let's look at some examples of opposites. This tea is hot, but this juice is cold. Can you say that? Hot and cold. Here's a big elephant and a small mouse. Big and small, aren't they cute? This face is happy, and now it's sad. Happy and sad. Wow, this car is fast. But look at the snail, it's so slow. Fast and slow. Now it's your turn. Can you say these opposites with me? Hot and cold. Big and small. Great job! Explorers, it's quiz time. I'll show you a word, and you pick the opposite. Ready? Let's start. What's the opposite of tall? Is it short or fast? That's right. Tall and short are opposites. Here's another one. What's the opposite of happy? Yes. Happy and sad. Wow, you did an amazing job. Opposites are so much fun to learn, right? Keep exploring words, and you'll find even more opposites around you every day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me next time for more exciting learning adventures. See you soon. Bye-bye.